think about it first before bringing the child immediately to the speech and language pathologist kung ang concern is bulol lang naman.
Yeah.
Okay? Kasi usually, kung bulol, at 2 years of age, medyo bulol din talaga ang mga bata magsalita. And
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Christine Albakyat, and this is Chat with Peds, where I interview experts in the field to empower you and give you the confidence to raise happy and healthy kids. My guest is my good friend and colleague, Dr. Cheryl Koh. She is a developmental pediatrician, and she's a wonderful resource for questions that I have about a child's language, speech development, and behavior issues as well. She has helped a lot of kids and families. Um, Join me in welcoming my guest, Dr. Cheryl Koh. Hi, She. Welcome back.
Hi, Tin. Happy to be back and good day to everyone. I'm always welcome, and free to invite me anytime.
Yes. Um, She, I always get a lot of questions about speech delay. This is very common for you.
Yeah, it's very common. It's actually the one of the top concerns that parents come to me for assessments. And speech delay is a very broad symptom. It
Yes.
can actually be a manifestation, or that's the first sign or symptom of a condition that's more than just a speech delay. So very critical talaga yung speech delay.
All right. All right. Okay. How about, for example, we have a 2-year-old that hindi talaga maintindihan ng parents kung anong sinasabi niya. Pwede ba nilang diretso bring to speech therapy? Like, because some parents do that and do that immediately since it is available in their area, the speech therapy. What do you think about that?
So, in that case, ang pagkakaintindi ko sa question mo, Tin, is bulol. No?
Yes.
Like, namang sinasabi yung bata, pero awaya. Parang ganon, incheck, ganyan. Hindi nila naintindihan. So, I would think about it first before bringing the child immediately to the speech and language pathologist kung ang concern is bulol lang naman.
Yeah.
Okay? Kasi usually, kung bulol, at 2 years of age, medyo bulol din talaga ang mga bata magsalita. And meron tayong markers there, no? So, pag 2 years old, sabi nga nila, 50% ng sinasabi ng bata, naiintindihan mo.
Right.
Tapos, 3 years old, hindi pa rin yun masyadong perfect. Kasi may mga letters sila na hindi nila minsan kayang i-pronounce, like L, R, W. So, naturally, at 3 years of age, they're also still kind of may intelligibility or articulation difficulties pa. Natural yon, normal. At 3, about 75% or 3/4 of what the child is saying, medyo naiintindihan naman. And then yung kailan siya nagiging perfect, na medyo malinaw na talaga, na kahit sino medyo nakakaintindi, hindi lang yung parents, 100% intelligibility at 4 years of age, at the very least. So, hindi pa agad, rush natin na at 2 years of age, porkit bulol, kailangan na agad mang speech therapy. Sometimes, it takes time. And sometimes, yung mga bata kasing 2 years old, abada, ganon, mabilis magsalita. You just tell them, okay, maybe wait, what are you saying? Help them, slow down, baka masabi nila ng mas maayos. And that's also a technique din kasi para mas maging ma-facilitate na ma-pronounce nila ng maayos. Lalo na kung multiple syllables yung word, mahaba. Sometimes yung first at saka last syllable lang yung kayang sabihin ng 2 years old. So depende rin kasi sa context.
Right. So that's good advice. So parents, they don't need to rush and bring straight to the speech therapist or speech pathologist. Have them bring their child for evaluation first by a doctor. Yeah.
Yeah.
And again, what you're saying, Chef, di ba, pag 2 years old, ang training sa atin, half of what they're saying, you can understand. 3 years old, 75%, and 4, you're expecting na at least mas dire-diretso na, naintindihan.
Yes, yes. Pero
Yes.
when we say assessment, pwede rin kasi you don't need to go immediately to the specialist for the assessment para lang sa bulol. You
Okay.
know, a general pediatrician can also guide and handle that kind of concern.
Okay. Okay. That's great. That's very good advice, Chef. So, if parents want to reach you, paano kanila ma-reach and seek consult?
Okay, thank you. So I'm at St. Luke's Medical Center in Quezon City, and I have a Facebook page, and I think Dr. Tin will put the link down below. You can contact my secretary po for appointments.
Thank you so much, She. I've learned a lot, and I hope parents have learned a lot as well. These are good, valuable information.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so I hope to see you again next time.
In.
Thank you.
Bye.